Outraged by this trench that has been dug allegedly by the tourism department to drain away sewage, and this obviously, as you all would have noticed, is within the no development zone of Morjim Beach, which per the CRZ regulations is classified as an eco-sensitive area where no construction whatsoever and no development activity can be permitted in terms of law. So this is outrageous because it means that the government, which is supposed to enforce the law, is turning a blind eye towards all these things. Now, incidentally, I may mention that the Environment Protection Act was entered into as a consequence of international conferences and international agreements entered into by the Republic of India, and the law was brought on the statute book in exercise of the exclusive authority of the Union government to implement international conferences and covenants entered into it. So it is my submission that everyone, including people who are not citizens of India and people who are visiting tourists, they are entitled to a clean and proper environment either on their holiday or when they are visiting this place. So there is no question of the tourism department or any other government department trying to flout the law. In fact, the Environment Protection Act has a formal section which makes government departments also subject to the law. And in fact, it prescribes criminal prosecution. But of course, it is hemmed because you will have to take permission from the government to prosecute a public servant. So, howsoever, the provisions in the law are there, and as law-abiding citizens, as people who are not wanting to get into any conflict or any direct action or self-help, we have to have recourse to the law and see that our rights, which we are entitled to as citizens and as people visiting Goa of whatever nationality, are enforced and protected. Thank you.
Anika?